Good morning, students. Welcome to your accountancy class. Students, today we will learn about that how to draw the performa of journal. Okay, so as you know, journal is a prime book of entry. It is a original book in which all transactions are recorded firstly. Okay, so it is also called day book. So the performa of journal is, first we write journal on the head of the performa. Okay, so journal of, write the name of the person whose transactions are journalized. So I am writing the name of Ram. Okay, so journal of Ram. So students, this is the performa of journal. There are 4 columns in performa of journal. Okay students, and the last column is subdivided into 2 parts like this. Okay, so first column is for date. Okay, so in date column you can write the year in which transaction is held, after year, month, and then date. If year is 2021, month is June, and date is 26. Okay students, so when the transactions is, so journal is a book in which transactions are recorded in a chronological manner or in a sequence order, or a order. So first column is for date. So here date of transaction in which transaction is held. Next column, the second column, is for particulars. So in this column we write, so this is the second column, 2 names of account, that is debited and credited, we write here. Okay, so every transaction has 2 aspects. One is to be debited and other is to be credited. So the debit entry show the name of account. Okay, so write here name of the account. So this, the first we write name of the account to be debited. Okay, and give some space and write dr dot, which show debit, and write, and next give some ½ inch of space and write to2, and here after 2 name of the account credited. Okay students, so this is the particular column, and after we writing the name of debit and credit, here below this narration is given related to transaction. So narration will help to know the nature of transaction. Narration or explanation, we can say that explanation of. Okay, so here we write the nature, narration or explanation of the transaction. Okay, so the narration must be short, complete and clear, and narration should be started by being or 4 word. Okay students, next column is for LF. LF means ledger folio. So ledger folio, this column denote the page number on which ledger account is posted. If this journal entry is posted on the page number 2 ledger account, so we write here 2. Next column is for amount. Amount is subdivided into debit in rupee and credit in rupee. So the name of the account to be debited, we write the value of the account which is debited in the debit, and the name of the account is credited, we write the value of the amount with credited with here. Okay students, after recording the entry, after recording one entry, we have to draw a thin line to start the next entry. Okay, so this is the first entry. If we are going to start the next entry, first of all we have to draw the thin line. Okay, so this show that the first entry is end here. When number of transactions are recorded in journal, all entries are recorded in journal. After that, total of done of debit side and credit side. So the total of debit side and credit side is done. So debit side total, it must be equal to credit side. If it is not, it shows it means that there is some default. Okay, there is some error in the transaction. Clear, students? So this is the performa of journal